Hey guys, welcome to Freelancerwebguru channel. In this video tutorial, I will show that how to solve billing detail and shipping detail issue on the WordPress WooCommerce thank you page. Okay, here you will see this one as the thank you page, and here you will see the billing detail and shipping detail. But the login user, but the guest user, I cannot show the billing detail and shipping detail. And let me show the guest user thank you page, right? This one as the thank you page for the guest user. Here you will not see any detail to the customer. Okay, not shipping detail and billing detail are not showing here. But let me solve this issue for the guest user as well as for the login user. So let back to the WordPress dashboard. Here you will see this code snippet, so don't worry, I will provide this code snippet in the video description. And let me copy this code snippet from here. So I'm gonna copy from here, and let's back to the WordPress dashboard. And here you will see the appearance, and then click on theme file editor, right? So I'm gonna click here, and let's scroll down. Here you will see your selected theme. Here my selected theme as Hello Elementor, and here you will see the function.php file. So I'm gonna click on function.php, and let's scroll down. At the end I will add the code snippet here. So I'm gonna add the code snippet here, and let's click on update file. And now I'm gonna refresh the thank you page. So here the thank you page is open in the cognitive mode, and now I'm gonna refresh this page. Once I refresh the page, and here you will see the billing detail and shipping detail for the guest user. Okay, so if this video is helpful, please subscribe my channel, comment, like and share. Thank you.